roll them.
All right.
We're on some serious downhill on the Wild Oak Trail off Reddish Knob. I mean, it gets a little hairy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Ed's up in front of me. And, it's not mountain biking like our flat Virginia. Yep. Here we go. Okay. That was sweet. Now it's smooth. You don't get very much of this on this mountain. Yep, this is going to be tough. You good, Ned? You good? Are you good? Yeah. Okay. I'm coming. Yeah. Just had to stop for a second. I don't know how I got stopped. Okay. I kind of got in a bind. Yeah.
You fall or?
No.
What happened?
I went too far back behind my saddle.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Suddenly I wasn't on the bike. Okay, uphill.
Miles completed. Remaining distance 5.99 miles. Average speed 9 miles per hour.
6 miles to go, Ned.
5.4 miles per hour. Estimated
Yep.
1 hour 26 minutes 34 seconds.
Where?
You're right next to 2.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I got photos of those the last time.
Workout paused.
Awesome.
They're just wonderful to see.
Yeah, they're all along this trail, aren't they?
Yeah. I was just thinking we were here too early.
Awesome. I see many, many that I didn't see at first.
Yeah. All right.
I'm going to stop up here and I'm going to turn the GoPro off so we'll have some left for Skidmore.